And this is Ala Nala from Ramallah. Just had a bath. Looks fresh. Hello, Ala Nala from Ramallah. Say bye.